Getting your Sussex emails on your mobile phone or tablet is easy. First, we'll show you how to set up an iPhone or iPad. If you have an Android phone or tablet, you can jump to that part of the video. Go to Settings and then Passwords and Accounts. Press Add Account. If you're a student, select Outlook.com. When prompted, enter your email address and your Sussex password. If you're a member of staff or a researcher, press Exchange in the Add Account screen. Enter your username at sussex.ac.uk. Press Next and then press Sign In on the pop-up window. On the next screen, enter your Sussex password. Press Next and follow the rest of the steps to complete setup. Next, we'll show you how to set up an Android phone or tablet. We recommend you install the Microsoft Outlook app from the Play Store. When you first launch the app, Outlook might find other email accounts on your phone. Unselect these before you start setting up your Sussex address. At the moment, there are different steps for staff and students. The staff email system will soon be upgraded to be as easy to set up as the student email system. Students just need to open the Outlook app and enter their Sussex email address. Follow the rest of the screens as they appear, entering your Sussex password when prompted. Staff will need to enter some additional settings. Open the Outlook app and enter your Sussex email address. The next screen will give you options to enter IMAP settings. Our email system is Exchange, not IMAP. So you need to hit the question mark icon, then select Change Account Provider. On the next screen, press Exchange. In this screen, enter your username followed by @sussex.ac.uk, your password, then press Advanced. You'll need to enter some technical details here. In the server box, enter exchange.sussex.ac.uk. In the domain and username box, enter AD_US, then a slash and your Sussex username. Complete the setup process and you'll be able to access all of your Sussex email together with your calendar on your device. If you have any trouble with the app, please contact the IT service desk or visit us in Shawcross.